Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, February 20th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading flat on the session. Right now they're sitting at 27.79, actually up a tick at the moment. So we'll see how today plays out. You can see a little bit of choppiness today. All night long we've really had a choppy market, so we're not going to make too much out of this. The markets are in the stratosphere from the lows in December, so they may need to pause a little bit or to breathe a little bit or digest the recent gains. But nonetheless, we'll see what we get. But in the meantime, we still have lots of stocks in the news. That's where we're going to focus our attention today. Let's take a look at the first one up here. Is going to be Garmin, you know, the GPS device maker. Stock right now trading at $76.44, closed at 71 bucks. Yesterday, this is a pretty good move here for Garmin. When I look at the equity, though, I do think it's getting a little bit overbought. Great move if you own it. Trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, I would not be touching it up here at these levels. I just think it's a little bit too high priced. Nothing technically wrong. We'll see if it does pull back or stage some kind of a slowdown here. But nonetheless, if you own it, trail that stop loss immediately. Let's take a look at CVS. Ticker symbol is CVS Health. Right now, the stock is trading at $63.95, closed at $69.93. Ouch. That's a pretty good haircut. I do think the stock has a very good amount of support around the $61 level, maybe $61.20. So keep that on the radar today, but that should be pretty good support if it trades lower. Next up, let's take a look at Devon Energy. DVN is the ticker symbol here. Stock is catching a little bit of a bid. Closed at $28.31. Now trading at $29.95. So nice little pop. I don't know if it has a whole lot more upside from here, though, so be a little bit careful with it. Even around the 32 to 34 level, there's a lot of resistance in play. So be a little bit careful here. If you own it, trail the stop loss on this one as well. Let's take a look at Lazy Boy. LZB is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $33.52, closed at $32.22, so nice little uptick there. This might have a little bit more upside to go. I'm not sure if it's going to go a lot further today, but let's keep it on the radar. Let's take a look here at ticker symbol WWW. This is the Shoemaker, I believe Hush Puppies and Saucony, a few other companies as well. Stock right now is trading at $38. Closed yesterday at $39.52. This is a light volume stock, meaning usually it trades under 1 million shares a day. So you want to be a little bit careful with it. I don't see anything technically broken here, but we will look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Herbalife. HLF is the ticker symbol. The stock right now is trading at $58.49. Closed yesterday at $57.44. So it's upticking a little bit. I don't think there's much to do yet, but we will keep it on the radar once the opening bell rings today. Let's go to Owings Corning. OC is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $56.10. This is a pretty good little move higher. Closed at $55.44, so it's upticking a little bit. I don't know if it has much strength past the 57 level, so we'll see how that plays out. Next up, let's take a look at Southern Company. This is a utility. Stock right now trading at $49.24, closed at $48.92. So you got a little bit of upticking there, and we're not going to make much more out of it than that. Let's take a look at Southwest Airlines. Looks like that is being downgraded by Goldman Sachs. Stock closed at $57.67, now trading at $55.01. This will come into play at some point today. There is a big gap down here, gap fill right around 51 bucks. So keep that on the radar today. I don't know if it gets down that low, but if it does, there'll be a play around that 51 level, at least for a scalp. So we'll see where we go. Let's take a look at one more here. Henry Schein, HSIC. This stock right now reporting earnings, trading at $59 a share, closed at $63.11. That's a pretty good haircut. Watch the $57.50 level today. There could be some pretty good support right there, and then after that, it's all the way down to $54. You'll get another opportunity at that level. All right, let's talk about some upgrades and downgrades. Looks like Charles Schwab, ticker symbol SCHW, being downgraded today. Stock is trading at $46, closed at $47.06. I believe UBS downgraded that. They also downgraded ETrade. So ETrade today also taking a little bit of a hit in the pre-market. That's trading just underneath 48 bucks, closed at 48.65. So both were downgraded today by UBS. Let's take a look at Pure Storage, PSTG. Looks like this was downgraded by Raymond James. Stock is trading at 18.64, closed at 19.32. That's received a little downgrade today. Let's take a look at TTD. This is the trade desk, trading at 156.90. This was downgraded, I believe, by Stifel. Closed at 161.61. I'm just looking to see if there's any levels out here. Nothing I see yet, but we will be keeping this on the radar. And then Tesla in the news again, TSLA. It looks like the general counsel left after just 2 months. Again, stock right now getting hit, trading at 301.50. Closed at 305.64. So there you have it. I think we covered all the bases there. A lot of other stocks in play today, but just can't get to all of them. Let's go over now to the crude oil market. We got crude trading down 44 cents to 56.01. If you take a look at the USO, that's a good ETF to trade crude. That is trading at 11.70 a share, down from 11.78. Gold had a monster day yesterday. Today it's trading up another $1.20 to $1,346 an ounce. So gold continues to remain very, very strong. No real problems on the chart. Right now the GLD trading at 126.92. Basically just a hair above where it closed yesterday. So again, gold strong, oil a little bit weaker. Futures are flat. And markets got a lot of stocks on the move here. So get ready. Should be another interesting day. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a dynamite 2018. We're going to look to keep that going. And again, I hope to see you all. Take a 7-day free trial in the intraday stock chat room. Trade right alongside of us. Like I said, we're having a great year, and we're going to look to keep that going. With that being said, everybody have a wonderful session, and we will see you all on the charts.